Hey guys, it's Miranda here at Sunshine and Grace. Today it's our 3579 series on Wednesdays, and we are making 5-layer journal cards washi style. Using, for one of the cards, we're going to use the, we're going to do it similar to this, but it's going to be smaller. Using the Alice in Wonderland washi strips from the kit, and some of the focal points will be used. On this one, I did use one of the words from the kit. And I added some actual washi tape, you know, some like this stuff on there too as an accent. We're going to make these. This one was made on an index card. The ones we're going to make today, we're going to do two. One with just washi tapes and one with the washi strips and some of that. And we're going to be doing them on a much smaller scale. These you can see are, as you know, they're smaller. I need some small cards, so this will work. So these are cardstock bases. This is an index card. It's all basically the same. You'll need one of those. You'll need some washi of some sort, whether it's printed digital washi or sticky washi. You're going to need focal points. We have 2. I'm not using words on these small ones because I will use the words specific to the journals, so there will not be a word on this. But you can add one with your focal point. You need some lace or stuff, and you need some bling, because you know me, and I gotta have bling. No, this one does not have bling. That took the place of bling because once I put that on there, I didn't have room for the bling. So yeah, we're just gonna go with that. But anyways, that's what you need. 5 layers. You're going to have 5 layers across it, and you're going to have 5 things that you use. So we got a lot of 5s there. Yeah, so y'all want to screenshot that? I'm going to move it now, and we'll get started. This won't take very long at all. These are super fast and super easy. This is actually, I have done another tutorial of a similar manner. Using the same kind of concept. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of lay out what I want for this one. I can't get 5 layers on there, can I? Not a chance. So, well, we have 5 layers of things, shall we say. But I might be able to reduce this down some and get 3 layers across there. I need at least 3. I can't do 2. That'll drive me nuts. I think I like this. Okay. If I do it something like that. Would that work? Pretty good. Okay. So I'm going to rip this edge a little bit because I do want it kind of jagged. Just because I like that jagged look. And I am actually inking this now because I really want a good depth to it. And it soaks it up really good in my hands. So, okay, now use a glue stick because it's quick and easy. And this isn't rocket science. It does not. On these cards that I'm using, you can see one side is slightly shiny and one side's matte. I'm using the shiny side to glue on just because I'm afraid ink wouldn't stick to the other side for whoever is actually writing on this sucker. Okay, I'm going to line it up just at the edge. It does not have to totally overhang it. And smush. Yep. Got that good artistic word today. Okay, this one is going to overlap like that. So what I'm going to do is run my glue up like this. Doesn't matter so much over this side because I'm going to be laying more stuff down anyways. I do want to kind of cover where I want. Okay, there's that one. It's down. If there's any flappy uppies, I'll fix them later. Ink this edge. I love that butterfly. So cute. Okay. Where do I want that to overlap to? Right before the little rabbit. So I'm just going to run some glue down through there and then work my thing on there. And I think that's good. 3 layers. Yep. You can kind of see where the edge of the butterfly was, so we're just going to tear it off. And then tear off this bottom. And we're almost done. That's how fast and easy this is, because it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to ink the edges all the way around now, heavily. And give a cohesive look. And then we're going to put our, you know what, we don't actually need a focal point. So instead, let's use some glitter washi and decorate. Shall we? Let's just take a couple little strips of this and rip it like that. Run it across that glue to make sure it's sticky. I never trust washi. And then I'm going to run a piece right here. And take a piece up here. And fold it under there. Darn it. Okay, I think that's good. Nope. There's a little piece over here. I'm going to grab it. Put it kind of right like that. Okay, there we go. 3 pieces of glitter. I ended up not even using my focal point. Now let's put some lace on here. Just a little snip somewhere. Maybe. Yeah. I'm really not thinking, I don't think it needs lace either, y'all. I actually like it just like that. So, you know what? If I like it, it's good enough for me. I'm leaving it because I'm sure I'll do something with it. I may put like, oh, let me do that. A lace tab. Or would this make a better tab? Probably would. No, for now we're just going to leave it the way it is because I like it that way. And we're going to move on. We're going to put glue. We have a lot of washi here, so we're going to put a good amount of glue down on the card because this one I don't have to place it so carefully. And I'm going to choose which washis I want. I actually don't want any of those. I want this. And this. Okay, this is called crafting on the fly. I'm just going to lay a few strips of this down on the card. Okay, 2 of those. And then I'm going to take it in to put some of the blue washi. How long does that need to be? About like that. I'm trying to go sparing on this stuff because that's all I've got. I'm going to tear the edges. And stick some over here. I want to put this one here. Oh my lands, you guys, that is beautiful. I'll put this one right here. So we're going to put, I am not cutting those quite long enough, but it'll be okay. We'll put another piece I'm sorry, I am being a little quieter than usual. My husband, I tell you, that man, he's had the hardest time lately. He was going out to go to work this morning and fell coming down the steps. So he was home with his neck out all day. Luckily, it was not as bad as we were afraid it was going to be. He did not actually get sick from it. So we were grateful for that. But it was touch and go this morning, I tell you. He was like, I don't know. He's like, I think I'm going to be sick. It's like, come on, man. You've been through this like 3 times lately. I'm just going to lay an entire strip down right there because I want more of the blingy than the green. Just because I really like the glittery stuff. Okay, and there's that. And then I'm going to add this ruffled edge here. So if y'all are the praying type, we would appreciate your prayers again. No, I say that a lot. But yeah, don't worry. It's just been a hard. He's not been doing real good with that lately. He has scoliosis and some issues in his neck from when he was younger. One of the jobs he used to do, he was in a couple of accidents, like doing snow removal. And that coupled with weightlifting when he was a teenager just kind of jacked him up real bad there in his neck. And it really bothers him now along with his fibromyalgia stuff. So yeah, it's not been fun. Okay, we're going to ink this. Actually, first, just to make sure those are stuck, let's flip it upside down and focus. Because those are soft. Okay, that is pretty. And then this will help hide any of those, like make those edges look intentional. Happy accidents, as I call them. Okay. There. Perfect. Now, we are going to put some lace and bling on this one. I'm going to take a piece of the white lace. I'm going to tear the top off of it because I don't like those strips. I don't even know. I mean, I guess when you're sewing it on something, those are handy, but I don't sew. So, not cloth. I'll sew paper when my machine cooperates, but that's not very often. Okay. I'm going to use one of the focal points. Do I want the T? No, I think I want the book. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to put that out there, and we're going to put this on top of it. It's going to go like that, and then I'm going to run not a piece of rickrack. Just a piece of this once I get it glued down. Okay. So we're done with this glue. We just need, let's get sticky and dirty. Fabri-Tac. Okay. That. So how's everyone else's day and week going? Hopefully good. Other than that, it's been good. My son's birthday is tomorrow, and we're excited. Well, sort of excited. I mean, he's excited. I'm sort of bittersweet about it because, it's the big 17, and yeah, I wasn't exactly ready for this, but he's a good kid, so he's excited, and he's hoping to be able to find a good job in another week or two. Well, maybe a month or so. He has a prospect at the local feed store that we go to. They are hiring, and the local, they will be hiring in February. And the local convenience mart, literally like 2 miles up the road from us, they've already said they will hire him. So he's kind of looking forward to that. But I'm a nervous wreck about the whole thing. I don't know. That makes it seem so much more, real, grown up. You know what I mean? So I'm like, you can be a kid a little longer. You don't have to rush. Okay, I'm just going to put some glue right there. Just like this blend. And oh my lands. I absolutely love that one. Okay, there, we did 2, and this was the one I did before. So, 5-layer, sort of, with the twist. This one was 3 layers with some bling. And this one ended up being 1, 2, if you count every single piece, it was 5 layers. This one actually had 5 different items. I'm just going to take that washi right there and make a tab to see what that would look like. Kind of cute. Okay, there. Now I gotta put, no, because I'll have to put another piece of washi on there, and it's got enough. Okay, I'm done. I'm leaving them alone. We're finished. Yeah, so I'm gonna close out. Before I go though, I want to remind you, Jesus loved you so much, he died for you. If you've not trusted that fact, and I'd urge you to do so today, because nobody's promised the next second, whether you know it or not, you're not gonna live forever, or whether you know it or not, you are going to live forever, either upstairs or down. You're just not going to live in this flesh. So trust me, you want to go up. You want to go to heaven. So if you've not trusted the gospel of your salvation, I would love to tell you about my precious Savior, tell you the greatest love story ever, and get you settled for eternity right now. So just drop a comment below or look me up on Facebook, Instagram, and all that stuff. It's all linked up in my channel art. Miranda McCulley or Sunshine and Grace JJ or journals. If you have any questions about anything, the projects that I make, or your eternal state, y'all get a hold of me. It'd be my joy to answer them. You have a great day. We'll chat soon. Grace and peace. Bye-bye.